Hi, welcome to Anjurisa channel, and in this video I will show you how to make a no-sew hair bow. And because this hair bow is for beginners, I think it needs a lot of explanation, so I will be talking in this video. The first thing is we need a fabric, and then because this is a no-sew, we are going to need a hot glue. If you don't have this hot glue, maybe you can use a fabric glue. And even this is a no-sew, we will still need a sewing thread to tie up the hair bow. And then you can use a hair tie or a clip or any other accessories. So let's get started. This fabric is about 20 centimeter and 30 centimeter. I will write the size below here, as it's really difficult for me to convert centimeter to inches in a jiffy. To hide the raw edges, I will fold the fabric just a little, and we are going to press the fabric flat down to hide the raw edges, because we are making this with no sew. Especially if you want to make this hair bow for maybe a dress or anything that we will frequently wash the dress. So I think it's really important to hide the raw edges. And then I will fold the fabric in half just to determine the center here. You can see the line here, and I will put a dab of glue in the left side, middle, and the right side. So I won't use the glue along the line here, as the fabric glue or the hot glue will be a little bulky. So I'll just add just this 3 point here. And then the same here, I will add a dab of glue here in the middle and on the right side. Just fold it over here. So it's done. Next, I will add a dab of glue again here and here. Just add a dab of glue so it won't come off, and we are going to hide the raw edges. Perfectly hide the raw edges. Next, fold the fabric in half, and this is to determine the center here. Just press this a little, and then you can see the line here in the middle. We will add a dab of glue here. Not a dab of glue, a line of glue. A line of glue. I'm using a cotton fabric for this bow, and you can really use any other fabric, because this is a no-sew. We only need a fabric glue and hot glue gun. So any scrap fabric is fine to use. Okay. Now, fold the fabric back and forth. Just fold it back and forth to secure the bow. And use a sewing thread to tie the bow. Because this is a no-sew, so we have to find a way to secure the bow, and I use a sewing thread. All the materials I use in this video, you can find them in the description below. Tight. And you can see the perfect bow size here. So I will add a hair tie or barrette clip. How do we read this? Barrette clip. You can use anything that you like. Just add a glue here. If we are making a bow without sewing, we definitely needs a lot of glue. So we are making the center here. I can hardly convert the size in inches, so I will write the size in this below. I have pressed the fabric in half and then I press it in half again to perfectly hide the raw edges like this. So just wrap this around here, add a glue, cut it. Finish. Our No Sew hair bow is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a thumbs up and share this video. If you don't, please hit the dislike button and tell me about what you don't like. See you in my next video. Bye!